In this class we will know the commands rib and loft, used to create ribs and perform transitions between profiles, respectively. We start by opening the model shown, made available in this class, where we have a box of thin walls and we will create ribs to reinforce the piece, using the command rib. Before activating this command, we must create a line or several lines that will serve as reference, follow-up. Note that the lines do not need to touch the ends of the geometry. Then we activate the command rib and with the option normal to sketch plane, we click on the lines to create the ribs. See in the preview that they are extended to the ends of the part, as the extend profile option is enabled by default. We can change the thickness in this field, as well as the side to which it will be added, see. Below is selected the option to Next, which causes the ribs to be created to the bottom of the box. By clicking on Finite, we can enter a value for the height of the ribs. We keep the To Next option and confirm it. Proceeding, we open the other file available in the class and we will learn how to use the Loft command, which creates solids through the transition between profiles. For its use, a minimum of 2 sketches, or a sketch and a face are required. In this example we will transition from a square profile to a round profile, each created in a different sketch. We activate the Loft command, select both profiles and have the preview displayed. Note that we could add more sketches to proceed with the transition. We've confirmed and look at the solid generated. We edit the operation and set the transition manually by accessing the Transition tab and disabling the Automatic Mapping option. See the list of the 4 transition points and note that the first one is selected and displayed in red on the model. Notice that by moving the mouse over the edge, we get the visualization of the point and if we click it will be positioned at this location. We position in the same place where the second point is located. We've repositioned the remaining points, keep up. We confirm the command and see that the form obtained is different from the previous one, since we modified the transition of the profiles. We finished this class, where we learned to create ribs and transition between profiles.